Just keep working. Just try side nets. There's a gap at cover and third net. Just try and hit it. No! Good call, buddy. Work, bud. That was a good shot. First ball, I don't know. But let's just keep working hard.
Oh yeah, wait, just hit side nets, keep going.
Yeah, 20 skin's good.
Just get the skin.
Yeah, skin's. Yeah. It's about that. That was safe. Keep working. It's side net. I didn't call. Should have called. No, sorry, bud. Just keep heads up. Down, up, side net. That's good. We got the skin. No, our assist over.
Yeah, no silly shit, eh?
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah. Back up with you running and call it loud. I sort of stopped, so I got to push through. Just keep working. We're doing good.
Yeah, keep talking.
Yeah. Hook, bud. Yeah. Good luck, boys. Just try and go. If you can go for the skin, just play 2 nets.
For the latest news, videos and exclusive content, visit indoor.cricket.com.au, Australia's home of indoor cricket.